Hi guys, we are on Unit 8, Lesson 4, Customary Units of Length. So today we will be converting among customary units of length. So I need you to get out your SAB book, page 245 to 246, and we will get started. Alright, so we are now moving on from metric to customary units of length. It's pretty much the same thing that we've been doing. We don't use the King Henry acronym anymore. What we're going to be doing is dealing with inches, feet, yards, and miles. We will convert them just similar but not the same. And let's see, inches is abbreviated with IN, feet is with FT, yard is with YD, and a mile is with MI. So keep that in mind when you're working out these problems. Okay, so I went ahead and wrote this little thing at the top because I'm a visual learner and I like to see that inches is the smallest, and then it goes so on to miles. Kind of helps me figure it out. So for number 1, we are converting 24 inches into feet. So what we're going to do is, since there's 12 inches in a foot, we are going to divide 24 by 12 to find how many feet we will have. And our answer is 2. So we will have 2 feet. For number 2, we're converting feet to yards. So there's 3 feet in 1 yard. What we're going to do is take our 24 feet and divide it by 3 because there's 3 feet in a yard. And our answer will be 8, as you can see. Whoa, kind of did that backwards. Sorry, guys. For number 3, we will be converting 12 feet into inches. So this one's different. We're going from large to small. So what we will do is we will multiply. Since there's 12 inches in a foot, we're going to multiply the 12 feet by inches, and we will get 144. Okay, and that's a 4. I know, it's hard to tell. 144 inches. So I think you guys pretty much have this down. So go ahead and pause the video, work out a couple of the problems. I say maybe do 4 or so. Then play the video, check your work, and we will move on. Okay, so I went ahead and wrote the answers in. Pause the video, check your answers. I'm sure you all got them right, and then we will move on to solving multi-step problems. Actually, sorry guys, I was totally kidding. I didn't see these problems down here, so I'll do one of these with you. Let's see, get my pen. We are going to calculate the perimeter of number 11. So the perimeter, remember, is the outside space. Whoa, didn't mean to write on there, but I did. So let's see, we have 2 feet measurements and 1 inch. So what we're going to do is we are going to have to convert the 36 inches into feet. So what we'll do is there are 12 inches in a foot, so this will turn into 3 feet. And then we just add them all up. 3 plus 5 plus 4 is 12 feet. Super easy peasy lemon squeezy. So now go ahead and try number 12 on your own. I know you guys got it. And pause the video, then check back for your answer, and then we'll work on multi-step. Okay, welcome back. The answer for 12 is 9 feet. And we're moving on. Okay, now we are on multi-step problems. So for number 13, Nick needs 65 yards of wire for a project. If the wire is only sold on spools which hold 6 feet of wire, how many spools will he need? So what we need to do is convert first. So we're converting feet to yards. So there's 3 feet in 1 yard. We are going to take 65 and multiply it by 3. And we will get 195. Then we are going to take this number, and he needs 6 feet, so we are going to divide it by 6. Okay. Then we will come up with 32.5 spools, but obviously we can't buy half of a spool, so what you need to do is just, round up to the next spool so that you know you'll have enough, and he will have 33 spools of wire. If you could read that, awesome. Okay, next, Jessie has 9 feet of blue fabric. To finish making her costume, she needs 1/3 of that amount of red fabric. The fabric store sells fabric by the yard. How much fabric does Jessie need to buy? So first we need to convert 9 feet to yards. So 3 feet in 1 yard, we're going to 9 divided by 3 is 3. So now she needs 1/3 of that. So that is our key word that we will, whatever. I don't know. I just wrote for no reason. Okay, so we're going to take, that's not negative, by the way. We're going to take 1/3 of our 3 and multiply it, and what do you know? We get 1 yard. So Jessie needs 1 yard of fabric. All right, guys, so you take some time, pause the video. I want you to try at least 2 more of these multi-step problems, and then you can come back, check your answers, and then I'll see you guys in class tomorrow or sometime. Maybe never. Who knows? Just kidding. All right, see you. Okay, well, Miss Vilsack only gave me this template, and she cut off the bottom part of it. So I only have the answers for 15 and 16 for you. I'm sorry. You can check your answers in class, though. And just come to class with your remembering homework, and we'll get to rocking on converting these problems.